Hey! BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and with me in the studio today, as every day, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO Weenie Mushain. Say hello, my sweetheart.
BOOZHOO Kakina! Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the show!
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. What's the Ojibwe word of the day today, sweetie?
Actually, we're waiting for a call from the White House.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, will you let us know when that comes in?
It's coming in now.
All right. Hey, BOOZHOO Niji. And welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. You're on the air, caller.
Yes, is this the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast?
Oh, that's right. Who's calling?
This is Donald J. Trump, President Donald J. Trump. How you doing today, Nana BOOZHOO?
Oh, I'm doing just great. How are you, sir?
Let me tell you, Nana BOOZHOO, I'm doing fantastic. I'm doing tremendous. I don't know. That's what they're telling me. They're telling me I'm doing amazing.
Oh, well, welcome to the show. What can we do for you today?
Well, I was wondering if I could ask you for a little favor.
Yeah, sure. What would you like?
I would like to teach an Ojibwe phrase of the day.
Oh, I think that would be great. I didn't realize you spoke Anishinaabe.
Yes, I do. I speak it very well. I speak it tremendously well. I don't know if that's true. That's just what they're telling me. They're telling me I have fantastic pronunciation of Anishinaabe, of the Indian language.
Yeah, okay. So, what would you like to teach the people today?
Well, you know, Nana BOOZHOO, I made a lot of money in my time.
Oh, yeah, you can say that again.
And I did that with one simple phrase. You see, I had a TV show, and on that show, I used to say, "You're fired."
Oh, jeez.
And with that one simple phrase, I amassed an incredible fortune, a tremendous fortune. Well, today, I would like to teach the people how to say, "You're fired" in Anishinaabe.
Oh.
All right. Well, how do you say you're fired? And you know what? This might come in handy. You never know. For you guys who are supervisors at the casino, and you have that one traditional guy who has his third no-call, no-show, this would be a respectful way to, to fire him. All right, go ahead, President.
All right, in Anishinaabe, in Ojibwe, you would say, "Gi anawenda gozi." You're fired.
Gi anawenda gozi. You're fired. And we don't really have the word fired in Anishinaabe. Anawenda gozi, it's kind of like you're rejected. So I think that would work.
Yes, that is right.
All right. Well, there you go. Gi anawenda gozi. You are fired. Anything else you'd like to add to the show while you're here, sir?
Yeah, I'd like to just say one more thing.
Yeah, what's that?
Well, Nana BOOZHOO, Gi anawenda gozi. You're fired.
What?
From now on, I will be the host of the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast. You see, we will call it BOOZHOO Donald Trump.
Oh, gee.
Because I am tremendous. I am fantastic. I don't know if this is true. It's just what they're telling me. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you'll like the new BOOZHOO Donald Trump podcast.
Yeah, okay. Well, there you have it. I'm sorry that I won't be on the show anymore.
Yeah,
Would you like to send us out, sir?
Yes. Well, people, thank you for watching BOOZHOO Donald Trump. And this has been Nana BOOZHOO
Yeah, Gigawabamin, Minowa.
And Natasha. Gigawabamin, Manawa. And I am not, I'm not Nana BOOZHOO. I am Donald Trump. Donald Trump, Nindijanakas. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Manawa. Hawa. Okay, but just don't call me Pocahontas, okay?